My name is Bill Turner. I graduated in 1993. I work for the University of Illinois as Director of Advancement for the College of Law. What sealed the deal for Monmouth, however, was the ongoing experience during my senior year and the interactions that I had with the admission office, a group that I thought really cared about some of the decisions I was making. As it turns out, after I graduated, I ended up coming back to the college to serve as an admission officer for 4 years. I began working with the development office as the director for the annual fund, an opportunity for me to interact with alumni across the country, which really made me value the connection that Monmouth College has had on me, not only for my 4 years as a student, but for the rest of my life. Experience goes, I always remember a course my senior year that was not even in my major. I'll always remember that I actually overslept for the final. And I remember getting a phone call about 5 or 10 minutes after 8 o'clock in the morning. And it was actually the departmental secretary that was calling, saying that Professor Smolensky wanted to make sure that you were okay and able to come in for the final today. And sure enough, I got there a few minutes later, and thanks to that concern by the faculty, I was able to get everything taken care of with a relatively low amount of embarrassment. And I think also the Monmouth College experience gave me the flexibility as a person to be able to adapt to a lot of different situations. I was involved in many activities at Monmouth that I really hadn't planned on doing as I arrived to college, but those experiences over my 4 years, they gave me a pretty good backbone in terms of the person that I have become so far. And in general, I think the Monmouth person is the person that's fairly well received by people.